If you don't want to be jobless, watch this video. But if you still want to remain jobless, you can scroll away. So today we are going to focus on, or we are going to dissect this topic, why people are jobless. People are jobless because of one reason. I would say because of one reason. Because they don't understand the system. People fail to understand the system of education, the system of economy, and the system of the country they are living inside. And the case study we are going to use today is the educational system. This is where people fail the most. People don't understand the system at all. So in this video, I'm going to tell you or teach you how to break free from these people that don't understand the system, or how you that don't understand the system can eventually understand the system. We are going to use Chike as our character here. Chike is a young boy. Let me say Chike is 2 years old when this story starts. Chike's parents came one day and asked him, Chike, what are you going to be in the future? Daddy, I want to be a tailor. I want to be a fashion designer. The parents were like, come on, shut up. Shut up. Not in this house. Why will you become a tailor in this house? Why will you become somebody that used to do makeup in this house? Don't say that again. What you will be a doctor. You will be a teacher. You will be a pilot. You will be an engineer. They will start selling futures to this Chike, this young man. Say, no, I want a lawyer in my house. I didn't study law, so I want my son to study law. I didn't study pharmacy, so I want my son to study pharmacy. So they are defining the future of this young boy. That's where the problem begins. Say, no, I want them to call me Mama Doke. I want people to address me as Doctor Mother. I want people to address me as Lawyer Mother. I want people to, when they see me, they will say, Mama Engineer. So for the parents' own selfish interest, they sell a future to this young man, Chike, and that starts the beginning of his problem. So they will not tell him, if you want to be a lawyer, if you want to become a doctor, and if you want to make plenty money, they go ring am for the pikin ear. If you want to become a doctor, the only way you have is to go to school, oh my son. Chike, if you go to school, you will make plenty money. Chike, my son, the only way to make this plenty money is by going to school, oh. Don't do any other thing, oh. Just focus on your book, oh. So these are the genesis, these are the beginning of Chike's problem. You understand? So then Chike goes to school. And let's say he went to study pharmacy. And in primary school, you use 6 to 8 years. Secondary school, you use 6 years. Then your university, because you are doing, let's use a medical course. Let's say pharmacy, 5 years. So that is 12 plus this, 17. So you have used 17 years of your life to study. So now you are finally out. Now you start looking for job. Chike starts looking for job. So immediately Chike finishes school, after 17 years, he starts looking for job. He goes like, why? Why am I not getting job? I did well in school, I did this, I did that. Chike failed to understand that they have 2 million Chike out there looking for job. Chike forgot that he wants to be a pharmacist. We have 3,000 people that wants to be a pharmacist too. 3,000 people that are better than him, that have high grade than him. All of them want to become a pharmacist. And here's the problem. It's not bad for 3,000 people to become a pharmacist. But here's the problem. They don't have infrastructures for 3,000 people. They don't have, the economy or the system is working in, does not have accommodation for 3,000 people. They only have accommodation for 200 people, 100 people each year. But now we have 4,000 people going for that particular place. It's just like you went into a room. They said this room can only contain 100 people. And we have 7,000 people outside. So that's the scenario here. Chico forgot that they have 700,000 chikes out there, 7,000 chikes out there that are still looking for the same thing that he's looking for. So now, you have 4,000 people, 4,000 people looking for a job that contains only 100 people. So how is Chike going to get in here? The only people that get in here are people that have luck and connection. People that understand the system. These 100 people that is going to get this 100 people that is going to get this job, are people that understand this system. But Chike is ignorant. Chike don't understand the system. Chike is book smart. But you don't understand this system. So Chike goes jobless. Now Chike came to me that he's looking for a solution. I asked him, Chike, why did you go to school? Did you go to school because you are passionate about pharmacy, you want to learn drugs for drugs, you have passion for it, you want to heal people? Or you went to school for survival? I remember in the beginning of the story, I told the Chike parents wanted Chike to study pharmacy, so for their own selfish interest and to bring money to them. So Chike did not go for passion. Chike went for survival. That's where people get it wrong. If you want to go to school, you go to school for passion. And maybe sometimes if you're lucky enough, your passion, if you are passionate and you understand this system, then you can get money. But if you go for survival, you are doomed. If you go on, because Chike listened to his parents and he went to school for survival. He went to school to make his parents proud. He went to school not because of his own will, but because of his parents' will. So now he's unemployed. So he now asked me, how am I going to go about it? I said, since you have made a mistake by going to school for survival, now go and learn something you are passionate about. Go and find something you love doing. Go and look for something that, even if you don't get paid, you are happy that you are doing it. Go and look for that thing. If you like entertaining people, you can go into comedy. If you know how to dance, you can go and become a dancer. This system was not built for you to become a millionaire. If you watch people that are millionaires now, they didn't go for survival, they didn't go to school for survival. They went for a passion, something they love doing, something they were passionate about. That's what they went for. So today, I'm urging you to go for passion instead of survival. I hope you enjoyed this video, enjoyed the Chike story. Thank you. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments.